Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am sharing with different amazing pin cones centerpieces ideas for decorating your holidays of Christmas events. Yeah, this video is for you because in these videos I diving into the world of a Pinecone craft to the transform your home into the winter wonderland. Stick around because we got some unique and the festive ideas you will not want to miss. Before you jump into I forgot to hit their subscribe buttons and bring the notifications bell so you never miss out on your creative die projects. Also, if you have any Pinecones craft ideas, share them into the comments below. Yeah, in this video is a perfect for die aesthetics, nature's lovers, and anyone looking to add to touch of a handsome charms to their holiday decorations. Whether you are beginners or experienced craft, there is something here for everyone. Feel free to adjust the script receipt amazing ideas. In this video, you can see that Pinecones wreath and the how to Pinecones garlands created and the Pinecones ornaments and the Pincone centerpieces and Pincone candles holders how to decorate. Yeah, in these videos different amazing designing that infuse your space with the warmth and the rustic charms. Please join us till ends and see this videos till ends because in this video different amazing decorating ideas Pincones with craft a welcoming entrance with our step-by-step guide to creating a beautiful Pincones with. Yeah, you can see that different tricks and ideas that achieves the perfect balance between the simplicity and the elegance. Pincone garlands very amazing thing. You can see that elevates your naturals and the staircase with a die Pincone's garland. Yeah, different amazing home decorating and excuse holiday chairs from the every corners and Pincone ornament. You can see that add a personal touch to your tree with handmade Pincones ornaments. You can adjust at outside of your homes front doors and how to create the die projects are these Pincones. You can see that different things are required for the Pincones centerpieces that impress your guest with a unique Pincone centerpieces that capture the essence of the season. We will showcase different variants of styles to just different accessories and the options. Pincones, you can see that you can adjust in these videos.